So, Robin, how's your experience been thus far in Brazil?
It's been amazing. I've had the most amazing experience at this spa. Something I could have never experienced back in America. I don't even think they offer some of the stuff we just did. So it's been great.
How were you able to pay for something like this?
How am I able to pay?
Yeah.
Well, working, providing court mandated services allows us to take vacations like this.
Are you able to work from home or work remotely?
Definitely work from home, create my own schedule. Being a boss, you can take off when you want to. Not that you're, neglecting your business, but you know what I mean. So, work hard, play hard, right?
So, how long have you been doing this type of work?
How long have I been doing it? At least 10 years. At least, yeah.
So it definitely paid off, right?
Definitely paid off. Yeah, every year it just keeps growing and growing and getting better and better. So it's definitely worked out for me.
Any advice for anyone that's on the fence right now deciding to start their own court mandated program or to go into business for themselves?
I say do it. Even if you start small, even if you start part-time with one thing on the side, you'll see how much it's worth your money in the long run. You'll see real quick how much it's worth your money, and your time. So I'd say start with that.
All right, thank you.